Hello and welcome to this video. I will show you how you can cancel Minea subscription. If you want to cancel your subscription, follow me in this video steps. Let's get started. First, go to your profile icon. From here, go to my accounts. From my accounts, go to plans, this one. From the plans, if you have any subscription, in my case I don't have subscription yet. If you have any subscription, you can cancel it anytime by follow simple steps. From here, go to setting, as I say. From the setting, choose subscription, this icon. So this subscription state is active. Click cancel plan or cancel subscription, and then click yes, I want to cancel my subscription. Two icon here, and then you will be cancellation was cancelled. Your subscription was cancelled successfully. Just go to your homes. From homes, go to your subscription on this section here, my accounts. Go to plan. From the plan, click yes, cancel subscription. I hope this guide helpful for you. See you on another video soon.